So you're excited to get started with Meshtastic, and that is awesome. But hang on, there's one absolutely critical decision you need to make before you buy any hardware. Seriously, getting this wrong could mean your new device is completely and utterly useless.
You've heard all about this incredible off-grid communication network, right? And you are ready to go. You're ready to order your first device and start sending messages from literally anywhere.
But before you click that Buy Now button, you and I need to have a little chat, because the one choice I'm about to explain is the difference between a project that works beautifully and a really frustrating, expensive paperweight. Okay, here's the deal. Not all Meshtastic hardware is created equal. These devices are built for very specific regions of the world, and if you buy one for the wrong country, it either just won't work, or even worse, you could be operating illegally.
Think of it like this. It's kind of like international travel. You wouldn't take an appliance from, say, the US over to Europe and just expect it to plug into the wall, would you? Of course not. Radio frequencies are exactly the same. Different regions have different plugs, and you need to get the one that fits your country's outlet.
So why do these rules even exist? Well, the radio spectrum is this invisible shared resource. It's finite. Just like our highways, governments have to regulate it to make sure signals don't just crash into each other. It prevents total chaos for everything from your car radio to vital emergency services.
Now, within this whole spectrum, there are basically two main types of lanes. You've got your licensed bands. Think of these like commercial trucking routes. They require a special certification, like for ham radio operators. But Meshtastic, well, it operates in the public lanes, the unlicensed bands.
And these public lanes have a name. They're called the ISM bands. This, right here, is the magic that makes Meshtastic possible for everybody. Governments set aside these specific frequencies for everyday stuff, like our Wi-Fi routers, garage door openers, and, you guessed it, our LoRa radios, all without needing any special license.
And this is just brilliant for us, isn't it? It means no license exam, no monthly fees. It's just an open space for cool innovations and community projects. It's basically a communication playground that's free for all of us to use.
But here's the crucial point, and you gotta get this. License-free does not mean rule-free. Not at all. Each region has very specific rules for its ISM bands that you have to follow. And that brings us right back to the hardware.
Okay, let's get specific. If you're in the United States, Canada, Australia, or New Zealand, the frequency you're looking for is 915 MHz. When you're shopping around, look for 915 MHz right in the device description. That's your magic number. Now, if you're over in Europe, your primary band is going to be 868 MHz. You'll probably also see 433 MHz as an option. But what's really interesting here is a concept called a duty cycle. European regulations actually limit how much you can transmit over a certain period of time to prevent congestion. Don't worry, the Meshtastic firmware handles all that for you, but it's a key difference from other places in the world. And this just shows how varied the world really is. In China, for example, the band is 470 to 510 MHz. Other countries in Asia and all around the globe have their own specific frequencies, like India on 865 MHz or Korea on 920. The list is long, which is exactly why you have to check.
So at this point, you're probably thinking, okay, I get it. How do I make absolutely sure I don't mess this up? Well, the good news is it's incredibly simple.
Before you add a single thing to your cart, there are just two steps. It's a final pre-buy check. First, go to the official Meshtastic website. Look at the documentation and find the LoRa region by country chart. Find your country and confirm the correct frequency. Second, when you look at a device for sale, make sure that exact frequency, whether it's 915, 868, or something else, is listed right there in the product title or description.
And that's it. That is the single most important check you can possibly do. It takes less than a minute, and it guarantees your whole journey into Meshtastic starts off on the right foot. Just remember the rule. Check the region, then click Buy.